Welcome back to Sailing on LaVenture. This week we leave Cat Cay in the dark, get out of the marina smoothly, and watch the sun come up, head through the deep water, and enter the Great Bahama Western Bank. And just a beautiful day across the banks, and arrive before sunset and anchor at Cat Cay. Next morning we get up, smooth water, and we head to Miami, arriving to a great welcome from Lisa and her staff. Follow along and enjoy our adventures.
Good morning. It's a little after 5 a.m. on Wednesday morning, and we are leaving Cat Cay. It's been an incredible time, great food, great people, and really enjoyed it. But we need to get an early start this morning because we've got about a 13-hour jaunt ahead of us. Really looking forward to it. The waters are going to be beautiful, spectacular even, and very excited to see that yet another leg of our journey on LaVenture.
The road. Good morning, and it's a little after 8 o'clock. We are entering the Western Bahama Banks on our way to Cat Cay and then to Miami tomorrow. We're actually at about 7.1 knots, so we're making good time here early in the morning entering the banks. So we have just gone from a depth of about 1,000 feet to 19 feet here in the last 5 minutes. So pretty darn cool. We have a beautiful day. As the sun gets up, we're expecting to see rays and stars and just all kinds of cool marine life, since we're going to end up here pretty quickly in only about 8 to 9 foot of water for the whole day. So Craig's been getting some great video this morning, but we're hoping we're going to have some amazing video for you later today and through the afternoon. So still on time for making Miami tomorrow, and looking like a great day in the Bahamas. Hope your day is great wherever you are.
Well, I don't know if this video is going to describe how beautiful it is out here. It's toasty and it's very humid, but it is beautiful. I'm going to shoot right into the water. You can see how clear it is. It's 12 feet deep and totally clear. I think we're seeing quite a few manta rays, but it's a little hard to tell what it is, but thinking they might be. Isn't that beautiful? There's Randy up there, and Steve's somewhere behind him. That's okay. Hey, so Randy, give us an update. What's going on?
Well, we're headed across the banks today, the Western Great Bahama Banks, and we hope to anchor at Cat Cay, right off the beach, and we should be there in a couple hours now. So,
and we've been
have sunlight.
And we've been sailing for about 2 hours, 3 hours. How long have we been sailing for?
Most of our lives.
That's
yeah, most of our lives.
That's right. About what, 10, 11 hours today, right?
Well, it'll probably be total 13 hours when we're done.
Okay, great. And it's just been spectacular.
It's just beautiful here. It's about a little over 10 feet deep all around us. The water is perfect turquoise. Clouds just floating in the cumulus clouds. It's just beautiful.
It is.
It really, really is.
It is, and for some reason, maybe because of the new breeze or whatever, it seems like humidity's gone down some, and it's just been much more comfortable now.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's great. Hey, Steve, do you have anything to add to this great momentous moment?
I don't, other than I've been sailing with him.
good addition. The guy is, I mean, the information this guy has is remarkable. It really is. So, all right, well, we're going to head and sign off and continue to live the life on Love Venture.
Every day I see miserable people doing things they hate just to fit in. I know it's easier to get along peacefully, but have you ever thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do, when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on a Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich by trying to see the outside?
We are all excited. Steve announces Cat Cay. We are on our way in. Steve heads up to the bow, gets the controller for the anchor, gets comfortable, and begins giving me directions to our anchorage spot. Steve and I discuss where we've anchored. It's the anchorage that is listed on both the digital chart and the cruising guide. We just want to make sure we're in for the night so that we can all sleep. Before we know it, a second catamaran is in and off the beach, but then the third one comes by our transom, a Cantana, and he says, I'm anchoring where you're anchoring. So we're pretty confident we're where we should be. It's time for pizza night. Pizza night at Cat Cay. Steve digs into his first bite of pizza, and we're celebrating a 13-hour sail from Cat Cay and making Cat Cay before sunset. So we're enjoying our rum drink and excited that the next day we're off to Miami. And we enjoy yet another fantastic sunset off Cat Cay. So beautiful this morning. You're looking out away from Cat Cay here at a beautiful sunrise, but also more rain in the background. Kind of show you Cat Cay here. We're anchored right off the airport in Marina, the Cat Cay Yacht Club. And LaVenture's almost ready to go to Miami. Just telling Craig we'll be in international waters within a half an hour or so, and so it's pretty exciting. It's just beautiful here. And again, good morning, have a great day and a great week.
What feeling it is to get this boat going so quickly. I think it just took Randy an hour to diagnose us, get the parts from underneath my bed, which is fine, we had to carry it up a little bit, and then go down there, disconnect everything, and hook it up, and it went. What a high. So we're leaving, as you know, we're leaving Cat Cay, and we just got a great exit off this island, and I'm going to show you a quick video of a dredging equipment to to get access for a little deeper here for boats coming in. Pretty cool seeing this in action. Stretching this out so boats can get in and out. I guess that's certainly a barge. That's pretty serious equipment. Go for it, Steve. What do you have for us today?
Well, we're at the entrance of the Atlantic. See right here where the
Okay.
Bohemian Flats. Right there is the lighthouse. Out there is the Atlantic Ocean.
Wow.
That's what we're looking at.
And the Atlantic looks pretty smooth today, doesn't it?
Yep. Yep.
Wow.
Absolutely.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Isn't that
Another
great?
tip from Uncle Al, the Kitty's pal.
Just doing a quick scan of this beautiful water.
Well, first leg of the journey is just about ending here. We are approaching Miami Beach. You can see in the distance. The ocean actually across the Gulf Stream was almost perfectly calm. I don't think I've ever seen it that calm in many, many years. So, but now we have a little bit of wind. So we're headed in about 6.1 knots. With a beam reach wind, and within the hour we're going to be in the inlet and cruising up to our final resting place for a week.
Coming into Miami. It's like a huge advertisement for people on the beach to see. Is that unbelievable? Well, I guess we're going to have some pretty good wakes here in a minute. Man, that is huge. Now the traffic's picking up.
We arrived Miami Thursday, May 19th, right on time at the Island Gardens Marina here in Miami. A little bit of a trip up the big Miami inlet with freighters and other cats coming out and jet skis, but and against a tidal current coming out as well as the wind. But we made it here on time to a big welcome with Lisa and her staff at Pedodontics Pizza. Thanks, Lisa, Shelley, Kelly, and Beth for an awesome welcome. We were so excited to finally be in Miami. Thank you, Island Gardens Marina, for a great berth and just a great staff there and great hospitality. Thank you to my crew, Steve and Craig. It was an awesome 8 days at sea. Stay tuned for more adventures in Miami, then Fort Lauderdale at Just Catamarans, and then offshore with Mike and Bill. We have great footage, dolphins, Bill singing one of his written songs at sea in the middle of the North Atlantic. So stay tuned.
On my skin.